How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital.
How do you travel to work?
I take the bus.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly, here you are.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Have you been to London?
No, I haven't been there yet.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's just around the corner.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
Can you help me with my homework?
Of course, I'd be happy to help.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm not busy at the moment.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-1234.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to the beach.
What's your favorite movie?
I like action movies.
Would you like some coffee?
No, thank you.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play the guitar.
What's your favorite season?
I like autumn.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies. Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, there's one across the street.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing tennis.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm going to visit my friends.
How much does it cost?
It's $20.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a photographer.
Can I have a glass of water?
Certainly, here you are.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it at school.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
I like painting.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to pop music.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to a few.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like mathematics.
Do you have any weekend plans?
I'm going hiking.
What's your shoe size?
It's 8.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple meals.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like Christmas.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 5 years.
What's your favorite TV show?
I enjoy watching comedies.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Are you a morning person?
No, I prefer.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 5 years.
What's your favorite TV show?
I enjoy watching comedies.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Are you a morning person?
No, I prefer evenings.
What's your favorite place in the world?
I love the beach.
Do you have any weekend plans?
I'm going to a movie. How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I like jogging.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
I love going to the mountains.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like it when it's sunny.
Are you a vegetarian?
No, I eat meat.
What's your favorite type of drink?
I like orange juice.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, it's an Italian restaurant.
What's your favorite kind of pizza?
I like pepperoni pizza.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I play the piano.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I like spaghetti.
Do you have any weekend plans?
I'm going shopping.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
I love strawberries.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite type of chocolate?
I enjoy dark chocolate.
Can you ride a skateboard?
No, I can't.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
I like turkey sandwiches.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite type of soup?
I like chicken noodle soup.
Can you speak any other languages?
I speak a bit of French.
What's your favorite type of bread?
I like whole wheat bread.
Do you have any weekend plans?
I'm going to a concert.
What's your favorite type of ice cream?
I love mint chocolate chip.
Can you juggle?
No, I can't juggle.
What's your favorite type of flower?
I like roses.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I have a small garden.
What's your favorite type of tea?
I enjoy green tea.
Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw a little.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I like black coffee.
Do you have a favorite app?
Yes, it's a language learning app.
What's your favorite type of cookie?
I like chocolate chip cookies.
Can you ski?
No, I can't ski.
What's your favorite type of car?
I like sports cars.
Do you have any weekend plans?
I'm going to a museum.
What's your favorite type of fish?
I like salmon.
Can you swim underwater?
Yes, I can.
What's your favorite type of hair color?
I like brown hair.
Do you have any weekend plans?
I'm going to a barbecue.
What's your favorite type of job?
I like creative jobs.
Can you do a handstand?
No, I can't do a handstand.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like it when it's cool and breezy.
Found this video helpful? Subscribe to English Voice for more. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment below.